of the existing cuts. This is all according to a Saudi official. Joining us now from Chicago, Scott Bauer of Prosper Trading Academy. I guess the question is, Scott, then what happens after April? And are we going to continue to see the further production plans supportive of oil prices?
I mean, Julie, I want to know not only what's going to happen with Saudi and OPEC Plus, but what's going to happen with the continued production here in the U.S., in the Permian. I mean, you've got both ends of the spectrum here. The cuts coming out of OPEC, but the U.S. producing more oil than ever and expected to almost hit 13 million barrels a day, in the coming year. So, there's a lot of headline risk to the oil space right now, and we're seeing that volatility trade. There are some tailwinds, and that's why I believe that we're seeing, West Texas approach 60, and we're seeing that $10 spread again almost between Brent and West Texas. But I actually think, I truly think that there's a lot of risk to the downside, not to the upside here. I think that the market is maybe playing into this a little bit too much, these production cuts coming out of OPEC.
Scott, and part of that might be we have a global slowdown economically, and we might be overproducing even with the OPEC cuts, right?
No question about it. I mean, you look at the global landscape and, every headline every day, 50 times a day is economy slowing down, China slowing down, Europe slowing down. What's the risk of that seeping into the U.S.? That's what I think at the end of the day is going to overtake what we're seeing these production cuts doing to the marketplace, that's coming out of OPEC right now.
All right, Scott, good to see you. Thanks for joining us. Scott Bauer of Prosper Trading Academy.
Thanks.